Okay, so for this part of your technology project, we're going to be talking about the history of your technology. So, there's a lot of different things, and it depends on yours in particular. But, the first question is, who invented your technology? Now, this could be a person, it could be Henry Ford or whatever. So it could be a person, but it doesn't have to be. It could be a group, right? Maybe Apple Industries, Apple, whatever they are, Apple Incorporated, or Windows, or whatever. It could be like an ethnic group of people, like, I don't know, the Danish merchants. It's always the Danish, isn't it? Anyways, where and when was your technology invented? So where, could be a place, or it could be like a setting, like a digital setting or something like that. It depends on what your technology is. So these are very vague questions, but you want to be specific on them because it'll help you out when you're doing your project. When, so a date is what you're looking for here. But even if it's not like a date, you could say like the 1700s, early 1700s, or the Neolithic age, or whatever. You just need some period of time. Because why was your technology helpful to people at that time? Because this is the time when they needed big ships to cross the ocean. I don't know, whatever it is. So because the needs at that time are different than the needs of today, so that's why we're trying to specify those things. How did the time period influence the technology? So what we're trying to talk about now is because whenever some new invention comes out, it's influenced by the time period, right? So, for example, why do they keep coming out with bigger cell phones? Because people wanted to be able to see the screens more. So when your technology was created because of people's desire for what? Desire for something. So, they made those bigger ships in the oceans because they wanted to sail faster in the early 1700s. They wanted to explore longer, whatever it is. So that's what you're filling out here. So this is very vague, but you need to make sure that you work hard to get some specifics on there because you're going to include those in your project.